Nairobi Railway City is an iconic multimodal urban development occupying about 425 acres of land and situated within the CBD, Haile Sellasie Avenue, Uhuru Highway, Landhies Road and Bunyala Road. The government released the master plan of the proposed Nairobi Railway City, which seeks to expand and decongest the central business district. The strategic location of the Nairobi Central Railway Station area position is perfectly to be an iconic nerve center for the Nairobi Multimodal Transport System with a world-class new Central Railway Station, incorporating mixed-use commercial developments, hotel and intermodal facilities. In addition to increasing our revenue base, the Railway City will regenerate the area around Nairobi Central Railway Station into a modern railway city, provide a livable and sustainable urban space, create a transport hub with multimodal transport facilities, expand the Nairobi CBD to the south, provide an iconic development to position Nairobi as a leading world-class city.